Great morning, students. Today we are going to start prepositions, that is, chapter 2 of your grammar book. Prepositions. In this chapter, we'll learn the function of a preposition and the structure of a phrase. The classification of prepositions based on their form, simple prepositions, compound prepositions, and complex prepositions. To identify the following types of prepositions: prepositions of place, prepositions of time, prepositions of direction, prepositions of cause and purpose. How certain nouns, adjectives, and verbs collocate with specific prepositions they come with. The structure and functions of a prepositional phrase. Now, a preposition is a word that describes a relationship between other words, its relationship between other words in a sentence. On, in, under, before, along, below, beside, between, above, at, by, for, from, of, with, about, of, through, till, without, throughout, around, over, etc. are some of the prepositions. Now, prepositions can be categorized into three based on their form: simple preposition, compound preposition, complex or phrase prepositions. We'll study about them one by one. Simple preposition. The words in single such as in, on, of, for, at, with, by are generally used as simple prepositions. The book is on the table. The birds are flying in the sky. In this, the words on and in are prepositions. Now, compound prepositions. For example, these are the pen is placed above the book. Distribute the sweets among the students. Krish was hiding behind the door. Above, among, behind, these are compound prepositions. Now, complex prepositions. A complex preposition is made up of more than one word. We should take this road that goes away from the lake. Away from the lake. Commonly used complex prepositions are along with, at the top of, close to, due to, in case of, in comparison to, in front of, in place of, rather than, such as, and so on. Now, complex or phrase, they are also known as phrase prepositions. I parked the car in front of, in and of, in front of the gate. So, these are many farmers lose their crops due to floods. In accordance with the school policy, fees must be paid. They are more than two words: in front of, in accordance with, due to. Now, prepositions may be classified into four categories based on their functions. Now, where place, they tell the place. Prepositions of place tell the place where they are. Prepositions of time, prepositions of direction, prepositions of cause and purpose. Now, prepositions of place tell us where something is. Some preposition of place are above, below, under, over, beside, down, near, in front of, around, etc. There are examples. See, there is a fence around the garden. Where is the fence? Around the garden. The paintings on the wall of the house are beautiful. So, where are the paintings? On? On the wall. So, at, in, and on are used as prepositions of both place and time. Prepositions of place, at, a specific point of or area. Please wait at the corner. Specific point क्या है? Corner. Counter, sorry. A particular address. Everybody gathered at 20 Park Street. What is the address? 20 Park Street. Before the name of a place. At the bus stand. So where is it? Is bus stand. The place is the bus stand. Now in an enclosed space. The jewels are kept in a box. They are enclosed in a box. Box is an enclosed space. We waited in the reception half hall for 2 hours. So, enclosed space is reception. A large area like a town or a city. I live in Mumbai or I live in Hisar. Prepositions of time tell us when. Some prepositions of time are on, in, at, till, during, half, after, before, since, for, etc. Examples: meet me after 5 o'clock. During summer, it becomes very hot and humid in the plains. They tell time. When? During is telling the time, and 5 o'clock. A specific point in time. We have assembly at 8 a.m. That is specific time. We have our PDP from 8:30 to 9. So that is the specific point of time at, or from that is the duration, but we have our assembly at 8:30. It starts at 8:30. What did you discuss at the meeting? At the meeting. So meeting was the specific point of time. With names of festivals: Diwali. Diwali is specifically at Holi, Diwali, Dashera, whatever you can write. So at Diwali. Now, period of time: minutes, hours. The courier will arrive in 2 days. Period of time kya? 2 days. The competition will start in 20 minutes. When? 20 minutes. Time of day: we have the matches in the afternoon. Time of the morning, evening, we take bath in the morning, we have our breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, dinner at night. So these are the time of day. Season: in winter it snows heavily in Srinagar. In summers it is very hot in Hisar. So these are the season. Now, Prime Minister addresses the nation on Independence Day. I was at work on Sunday. We had a holiday on 30th March 2018. Now, place prepositions of direction. They tell the direction. Prepositions of movement or direction also tell us where, but usually indicate direction. Some prepositions of movement are to, I am going to the market, movement, at, towards, he is going towards the bus stand, through, he went through the tunnel, the fox, the the fox fell into the water, over, there was a bridge over the river. So under, up, down, these are all examples. Before the competition, Abhinav swam across the river and back to build up stamina. He climbed up a tree to get over the wall and into the orchard. All these are prepositions: across and to and up and over, into. These are all prepositions. When Archimedes discovered the law of buoyancy, he ran through the streets shouting Eureka. A flying saucer just flew over that building. Prepositions of cause and purpose. When we use prepositions such as for, with, by, from, through, to, on account of, etc., in certain ways they denote cause or purpose. We need to start preparations for annual day. She won't succeed with hard work alone. I need money for the rent. He could not take the exam on account of illness. Now, prepositional phrases. Read the sentences. Raman makes beautiful paintings on the computer. This is a phrase. Harish walked into the darkened room cautiously. In these sentences, the phrases on the computer, and into the darkened room begin with prepositions. How we can find out? They begin with prepositions. For example, on the computer is a phrase. Into the darkened room is a phrase. They are prepositional phrases. A prepositional phrase is made up of the preposition, its object, and any adjective or adverb that may be associated with the object. Now, a prepositional phrase can have the functions of an adjective or an adverb. As an adjective, it modifies a noun. Noun, it tells more about it adds to the meaning of a noun and will answer the question, which one? Look at the lady in the pink gown. It is modifying the noun lady. Please take the pen next to the telephone. It is modifying the noun pen, where to keep the pen. As an adverb modifies a verb, we can identify the prepositional phrase that acts like an adverb by asking questions how, when, why, where. Adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, they all tell. So, the poor man sat beside the fence. Where? It is saying adverb of place, beside the fence. I go for dance classes after school. When? After school. So, this was for today, and have a great day.